A tin maker converts a cubical metallic box into 10 cylindrical tins. Side of the cube is 50 centimeter and the radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder so made if the wastage incurred was 12%. Wastage incurred was 12%. Now here this is cube. So every length of every side is same. Therefore L is equal to 50 centimeter. Did you get it? And here radius of this cylindrical tin is given. R is equal to 7 centimeter. Then find H, height of that tin. Okay, now 12%. While making such a 10 tins, then from this cubical metallic box, then there was wastage of metallic part or metal that was 12%. Wastage was here. Wastage was 12% while making 10 tins. Okay, how much was the wastage? 12%. Therefore only 88% of metal was used for making such 10 tins. How much? Only 88% of metal was used for making such 10 tins from this metallic cubical box. Did you get it? Therefore, see this carefully. Therefore, we write here 10 into, see this, that maker makes such a type of 10 cylindrical tins. Therefore, see this, 10 into total surface area of cylindrical tin. Did you get it? Tin. See that this this is the tin. This way tin. Did you get it? See this. This is our tin, single tin. We want 10 such a tins. Okay. Therefore, 10 into total surface area of cylindrical tin is equal to 88% of metal of cubical metal box, 88% of metal of cubical metal box was used. Means we write total surface area of this cubical metallic box, and that is 88% only, 88% only, because 12% wastage in that metal. Okay, therefore here, therefore 10 into total surface area of cylindrical tin or cylinder. See this cylinder. No, then total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r bracket r plus h is equal to 88%, means 88 upon 100 into total surface area of cube. Total surface means this, total surface area of cube, 6L square. Did you get it? Very simple formula. Therefore 20, 10 into 2 pi, we have given 22 upon 7 into radius bracket r plus h, means 7 plus h, okay, is equal to 88 upon 100 into 6 into 50 into 50. Did you get it? Now we divide here. So 50 2s are, then 2 3s are. Okay. Now we take both of these terms to the right side. Therefore, here left 7 plus h. 7 plus h. Then what is here? 88 into 3 into 50. Okay. Upon 20 into 22. 0, 0 cancel. 22 4s, okay, and 2 2s. Therefore 7 plus h is equal to 2 3s 6, 6 5s 30. Therefore h is equal to 30 minus 7. Therefore h is equal to 23 centimeter. Therefore the height of each tin was 23 centimeter.